Good morning, friends. I hope you all are good and following the all safety precautions at your home. So today we are going to start with new class, and in this class topic is turbofan engine. Turbofan engine, it has a duct enclosed fan mounted at the front or rear of the engine and driven by mechanically geared down or at the same speed as compressor or by independent turbine located to rear of the compressor drive turbine. Here intake air is divided in two parts. One part of the air flowing through core of the engine and other part of the air flowing through duct, and they are called primary and secondary air. These both air mixing at the rear of the engine and exit from a common nozzle. Here fan air produces extra thrust without adding fuel. That's why thrust can be increased without adding fuel in this kind of engine. So what are the characteristics of this engine that we can see now? Number one, the weight of the turbofan engine between turbojet and turboprop means weight of this engine is more than turbojet and less than turboprop. Second, clearance from the ground similar to turbojet and less than turboprop engine. Ground clearance means distance between the engine and ground. It is similar to turbojet and less than turboprop engine. Next, thrust specific fuel consumption is between turbojet and turboprop. This vary between the turbojet and turboprop. It is more than a turbojet and less than turboprop engine. Next point, it is superior to the turbojet in hard day performance. Next, noise level is reduced as mixing of primary air and secondary air at the rear. Last point, at forward speed thrust can be increased. Now you see the figure of turbofan engine, how it looks like. Let me familiarize you the basic component fitted in this engine. Here is your air intake, this is your fan, this is LP compressor, means low pressure compressor, this is HP compressor, means high pressure compressor, this is combustion chamber, this is high pressure turbine, this is low pressure turbine, this is exhaust cone and exhaust nozzle. Here primary air flows, it's called primary air. In this duct, secondary air flows in this duct. Both are mixing at the rear and going to the atmosphere. One more thing is there. Here you can see twin spoon compressor. This LP compressor is joined with this shaft to LP turbine, and this HP turbine is joined with this HP compressor. Now you see the operation of this engine, how it operates. See, air comes from the air intake, sucked by the fan, then it goes to the LP compressor. One part of the air and second part goes through this duct. This LP compressor compresses the air, then it goes to the high pressure compressor. Here air is compressed highly and this air goes to the combustion chamber. Here fuel is added and ignition is provided. Air fuel mixture start burning at high pressure and temperature is generated. High energy is generated. This gas then come out from the combustion chamber and impinging to these turbine blades, and after that it goes to this LP turbine blades striking on this blade. Then through this area it is going to the exhaust nozzle, and here secondary airflow is also mixing and both are going to the atmosphere by giving a reaction thrust by which aircraft move forward. So this is all about your turbofan engine. Thank you very much for watching.